Hey, what's up guys? So this video has no intro because I just want to jump right into it. I know some of you guys are waiting for the Christmas workshop music video and it's coming. I finished recording it last night, so it should come out sometime next week. So be looking forward to that. But I also know that a lot of you guys are out in your shops right now. Whether you're making Christmas presents to sell or you're making Christmas presents for friends and family. I know that's what I'm doing right now. But I wanted to share with you guys some of my favorite finishes. Something that you can use in your shop, some that I make, some that I just like to use all the time. The first one being this stuff right here. Now this is just an old bottle that I found and I use it to store it, but what it is, it's a 1-to-1 ratio of this stuff. So we have boiled linseed oil and Minwax antique oil finish. I mix them 1-to-1 and I put it on here in this bottle, and it just makes it easy just to kind of pour it out on a rag and wipe it on. What's awesome about this finish is the polyurethane gives it a really nice smooth finish but adds a lot of protection to it, and the boiled linseed oil inside of it lets it soak into the wood really well. For you guys to see, this is what it looks like on a piece of oak plywood. This is a dollhouse I'm making, also a video that's coming out, and we have a secret project down here. This also has this mixture here, and it's walnut, so you can see just how pretty it is. I'll throw some close-ups in here in a second, but you can see it turns out really great. But the other thing is, a lot of you guys I know are out making cutting boards. We got the Shepherd's Workbench food grade finish. Now this is stuff that I make. If you want to buy a tin of this, I'll have an Etsy link down below. Help support the channel, help support me, kind of what I'm doing as, you know, a small business. But you can make this too. If you really want to have this, but you don't feel like buying it, that's fine. I'm going to tell you how to make it. I always go on Amazon and I'll buy a 2-pound bag of beeswax, all natural beeswax, and then a gallon of mineral oil. I throw it in a crock pot, let it sit in there for half an hour until everything melts out, and then I fill probably about 24 of these 4-ounce tins, plus 3 or 4 little mason jars just for me to use in my shop. Now, this isn't just for cutting boards. It can be, but I like to use it on a lot of stuff. I actually prefer to use it if it's a quick project or if I'm doing something small and simple. Just kind of rub that on, buff it off, and it's good to go. It's sealed. The mineral oil soaks into the wood to keep that bright, vibrant color, and the beeswax adds a layer of protection to prevent the staining for cutting boards. But the other thing is on my website, shepherdsworkbench.com, I've got a blog post and a whole article at you if you want to check it out on how to care for your cutting boards. Feel free to share it. If you're selling cutting boards and you're trying to make some money on it, in order to, rather than provide a care sheet, just provide a link to my website and you can use the full article. Or if you think there's something I missed in the article, please let me know. I'll make some changes to it, and then you guys can use it as a free resource. But my final favorite finish, which is not one that I make, but is really good, is this Minwax water-based polycrylic, specifically the matte finish. Now, I made a video probably a couple months ago on how to get a perfectly clear finish, which I'll link up here. But what I like about this is it's super easy to apply. It's water-based, so it can be thinned down with water, but it also lets you get a really nice glass smooth finish, and when it fully cures, it's really hard and it protects the pieces really well. The other side of it, you could go to like an oil-based finish, which I've used in the past, but the problem is the brush strokes show really well, and that's not good when you're trying to get a really nice smooth finish. Plus, if you're wanting to thin it down a little bit, you gotta mix mineral spirits. Not everybody keeps mineral spirits. I do, but not everybody does. So if I just need a clear finish that's on there that doesn't really tint at all, it's not gonna change the color of the piece. Maple, it's gonna keep it that pure, like bright white. I just go with just the polyacrylic. Now, like I said kind of earlier with this finish, it does create the amber look, and some people really like that. I personally like it, especially on oak and walnut. It's one of my favorites. But again, I just kind of wanted to give a quick video out for you guys talk to you through some of my favorite finishes, so maybe you can use them in some of your projects and some of your Christmas presents that you're making this year. So thank you guys for joining at Shepherd's Workbench. If you want to subscribe down below, please hit that thumbs up button, help support the channel, help kind of get it around. Share these videos if you like, and we can kind of spread the awareness for the channel. Anyway guys, thank you guys for joining me here on Shepherd's Workbench.